Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for DigiLocker. You will first need to visit the official DigiLocker website or download the mobile application, available on both Android and iOS devices. Ensure you have your Aadhaar number readily available, as this is essential for registration. Your Aadhaar will be linked during the process, providing a secure foundation for your digital locker. This platform helps you keep all your vital records in one safe place, accessible anytime, anywhere. Once you have the app or website open, locate and tap on the Sign Up button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your complete Aadhaar number, which is a 12-digit unique identification number. After entering your Aadhaar, a one-time password will be sent to the mobile number registered with your Aadhaar. Carefully enter this 6-digit OTP to successfully verify your identity and proceed with account creation, ensuring your account is securely linked. After successful Aadhaar verification, the system will ask you to set up a 6-digit security PIN. This PIN is crucial. It will be required every time you log into your DigiLocker account. Make sure to choose a combination that is not easily guessable, perhaps avoiding sequential numbers or simple repetitions. Confirm your chosen PIN to finalize this security step, safeguarding your stored documents with robust protection. This small step significantly enhances your data security. With your account set up, you can now start linking your important documents. Navigate to the Issued Documents section within the DigiLocker interface. Here, you can search for various document types, like your permanent account number card, university mark sheets, or even your two-wheeler registration certificate. Simply select the appropriate issuing body, provide the requested details, and DigiLocker will fetch the authenticated digital copy directly from the source. This seamless process populates your locker with official, verified documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.